Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of restaurant tech, specifically a question I hear a lot from our viewers who run their own eateries. How do you add menu items to TouchBistro? Now, for those of you who aren't familiar, TouchBistro is a popular point-of-sale system specifically designed for restaurants. It helps streamline everything from taking orders to managing inventory, making it a valuable tool for keeping your business running smoothly. But what if you want to add a new seasonal special or update your pricing? How do you get those delicious new dishes onto your digital menu for your hungry customers to see? Well, fret no more, because that's exactly what we'll be covering today. By the end of this video, you'll be a TouchBistro menu master, whipping up digital dishes faster than you can say, chef's kiss. So, grab your tablet, because yes, TouchBistro is conveniently mobile-friendly, and let's get started. Setting the stage, menu groups and organization. Before we jump straight into adding items, there's a crucial first step, menu groups. Think of them like categories on your physical menu. Appetizers, entrees, desserts, these are all your menu groups, helping your customers navigate your culinary offerings. To set these up, head to the menu section on your TouchBistro dashboard. Here, you'll find the glorious Menu Groups button. Click on that, and then Create Menu Group. Give your group a clear and descriptive name: salads, main courses, anything that makes sense for your restaurant's layout. Now, you can create multiple menu groups, so don't be shy. This lets you organize your menu logically and makes it easier for customers to find what they're craving. Think of it like having different sections on a physical menu. It helps with browsing and keeps things from feeling overwhelming. The main course, adding menu items. Now that you've got your menu groups prepped, it's time for the main event, adding those delectable dishes. There are actually two ways to tackle this in TouchBistro, so we'll explore both. Method 1. Group first, item second. Head back to the menu section and this time, select Menu Items. Here, you'll see the beautiful Add Menu Item button just waiting to be clicked. This is where the magic happens. First things first, give your creation a mouth-watering name. This is what your customers will see, so make it descriptive and enticing. Think seared scallops with lemon risotto or spicy Korean barbecue tacos. Something that will get their taste buds tingling. Next comes the price. This one's pretty straightforward. Enter the amount your masterpiece will cost. TouchBistro also allows you to set up tax rates, so you can ensure your pricing is accurate. Now, here's the key part, choosing the right menu group. Remember those categories we created earlier? This is where you assign your new dish to its rightful place. Select the appropriate menu group from the drop-down menu, and voila! Your item is now linked to that category, keeping your digital menu nice and organized. Method 2. Item first, group later. But what if you have a specific dish in mind and haven't quite decided where it belongs yet? No worries. TouchBistro offers another way. Just like before, head to Menu and Menu Items, and click the ever-so-inviting Add Menu Item button. Follow the same steps for naming and pricing your culinary creation. The difference here is that you can leave the menu group selection blank for now. Once you've added a few items and have a clearer picture of your menu's flow, you can come back and assign them to their designated groups. This method offers more flexibility, especially when you're brainstorming new dishes, spicing up your menu with extra details. Now, the basic information is in place, but TouchBistro lets you add some extra pizzazz to your menu items. Here's where you can get creative and really showcase what makes your dishes special. You can add a description to your menu item. Use this space to highlight the fresh ingredients, unique cooking methods, or anything else that sets your dish apart. Think of it as a mini sales pitch for your culinary masterpiece.